How to generate PIN access code for Shopify point of sale. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do so. So first, just log into your Shopify admin, and from here, you simply just want to click on settings from the bottom left, and you're just going to go ahead and click on users. And in here, you're just going to be able to find all the different users that you have within your Shopify store that are going to be working for point of sale, store owner, everyone, even including yourself. So basically, let's just go ahead and start with myself here. If you want to generate a code for yourself, it's very simple. You just want to click on your name. And basically, this is just going to also apply to anybody else as well. So click on your name, and then you're just going to be able to find their status here and everything. And you can just click on the pencil icon here on the top. And if you click on that, you're going to be able to find the point of sale PIN. Now in here, you can just feel free to type it manually, or you can just click on this little icon, which is just going to basically generate one for you. And once you're happy with it, you can just click on save, and now you have this PIN for point of sale. This is also going to apply to anybody else as well, so we can just go ahead and do that real quickly. I'm just going to discard this. I don't really need it anyway. So for example, I have this one, and if I click on it, because they're working as point of sale, they already do get a PIN by default once you actually create the staff member. So you can see it in here, but you can just feel free to also change it as you like, if you want it to be manual, or if you just want to refresh this and click on done. This is basically what you need to do. And again, if you actually do go back to the settings and add a new staff member, if you just go to users and click on add user here, for example, point of sale user, and you just go ahead and give it any name, assign them any role for within point of sale. They're also going to automatically get a PIN number by default, and basically just you can feel free to change it later on, but they do actually end up getting a PIN code. So if you just go ahead and click on add and click on save, now we're just going to be able to find them in here, and if you click on them, we're going to be able to find their PIN over here, and obviously you can just feel free to change it. So this is pretty much it for this video. Hopefully you found it to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.